Hi friends, I'm Soumya Salyan and I'm unboxing Boat AirPods 402 which is released in Flipkart on 29 June 2020, and I'm really excited to see how this product is. And on the upper look at the box, it looks little glossy. So let me unbox this. And yes, you can have a closer look at this color. It is a kind of navy blue, and let me open this charge box, which looks very stylish and looks very different when compared to other boat boxes. And with this box I also have two twin earpods, which is good, and it is also having a small sleeky stick which looks very nice and trendy. Also, I can see that you can have a closer look at this, where we have the audio receiver at the bottom of the sleeve, which is again a very good one. And you can have a look at the closer look of this, and it looks really trendy. So I've opened both the twin earpods here, and it looks really trendy and very stylish. I am in love with these two earpods. So now let's see what's inside the box for us. Okay, I can see one charger cable along with this box, which is given to charge this earpod. Okay, and what we have next is the additional earbuds. We have two sizes, one is small and the other one is large. I think this is pretty good. And what we have next is the earpod manual, about the instructions on how to use, how to charge, and all other informations we have about the factory reset and other technology and cautions. So moving on to next, what we have inside the box is we have 1 year guarantee card. So that means this guarantee card clearly says that it has a warranty for 1 year. So if there is any issues, I think we can get back to the boat team. And the next one is about the products what boat has and the brand ambassadors who are actually with this boat. So these are the Bollywood celebs, and if we turn in the back, we have the cricketers. So that's really nice, who are the brand ambassador for this boat. Okay guys, I also see that the original price on the box is 5,999, which is 6,000, but in Flipkart today it is going for 1,700, which is a very good buy. And I've got this and I'm really in love with this. So while you're watching my unboxing, I will pair this to twin earpods and tell you how it actually sounds and how is the bass and how it works if I'm receiving the call. So kindly stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm finally back to give you the review about the audio effect as well as the call receiving mode. And I can assure you this bass of this earpods is really good, and it is very much high pitch. So I think it is worth buying it, and it is too good. And also to tell you about the call receiving thing, yes, it is indeed a good one. And also, as we can see that the receiver is at the bottom of the sleek stick, it is more good capturing of the audio. So thank you guys for seeing this, and for more videos to come up, please subscribe. Thank you.